Here I've got Nokia 7 Plus, and let me show you how to set up date and time on the following device. So at first you have to open list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Here you have to scroll down and go to System, so it's the last icon, and now go to date and time. And here you can either have an automatic date and time, or you can switch it off, and now simply set date and also time manually by yourself. Then you can also have automatic time zone, or you can switch it off and then choose the one that you would like to have by tapping on select time zone. Then you have to select the region. As you can see, you've got a wide list of regions, and obviously you can select the one that you would like to have. So at first the region and then time zone. So let me pick, for example, LA, and then go back. Here you've got also automatic 24-hour format lock, or you can switch it off to have 12-hour format lock. And actually that would be all. Then if you would like to go back to default settings, simply click on those switchers to go back to automatic ones, so your date and time will be automatically set up. So that is all. This is how you can set up date and time in your Nokia 7 Plus. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.